Hey, what's up everybody? I just want to talk about how to look up Yu-Gi-Oh and Pokemon cards to sell on eBay and Amazon, and also on buy lists. So, Yu-Gi-Oh is kind of easy to look up because in the lower right-hand corner of the picture on the card, there's going to be 3 letters or 3 or 4 characters. Most of them are just letters. Some might be numbers as well. So the very first set of Yu-Gi-Oh that was released, I believe, was Legend of Blue Eyes. So at the bottom of those cards, or below the art, it's going to say LOB, and then a hyphen, and then a number. So really all you have to do is go on eBay and type in exactly that. It's going to be LOB hyphen 001 or something like that, and it'll bring up a card that corresponds to those set of characters, and it's going to tell you the value on eBay and how much it's sold for. But really that's it. That's pretty simple to look up Yu-Gi-Oh cards. Pokemon cards are a little bit more difficult because you have to know. So in the lower left-hand corner of a Pokemon card, there's going to be some numbers in it. And if you don't know what set the card came from, you don't know what type of pack it came from, you're going to have to type in the name of the card and also the numbers. So it's going to be like Pikachu 98 / 99, so that means it's the 98th card out of the set of 99. So you'll just type in something like that, and then it should come up on eBay, or it should come up on, I just use eBay for that, and then eBay will tell you when certain ones come up, it'll tell you what set it came from, and then if you want to do some searches on TCG Player or somewhere else, you'll know what set it came from after you do that search. But there is an easier way, kind of similar to Magic the Gathering. It's actually the same app you can use. It's TCG Player. It's an app on your phone you can download, and you can actually scan cards with the camera on your phone, and it'll come up with the value for that card. You can also save it to your collection. You can do quite a bit of things. That's really the easiest way. I have not tried it with Pokemon cards. I'm not 100% sure if it works for those, but for Yu-Gi-Oh cards, I know that it works.